Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. What you see here is the gas valve on a water heater. So this is our pilot control. This is our temperature setting. So this triangle here is what they consider, I guess, normal. And then you're going to base it off of this triangle here. So you can turn this to get the setting that you want. So this is one type of valve that you can have on a water heater. What I'll do now is I will show you another type of valve, the one that I have on my water heater. Also, this is a Ream brand tank. So what we'll do now is we'll look at my water heater. Alright, this is the control on my water heater. So this water heater is a John Wood. This is a Honeywell brand control, but this is the same dial as on the Ream, and it also has a status light, and then it has the codes here. But if you ever notice that your water temperature is too low, what you need to do is adjust the knob. Now in my case, I noticed that my water temperature was too low. And I think what happened was because I used my mechanical room as a storage space, I think I hit this dial and I changed the temperature setting too low. So before you go out and call anybody, if your temperature is too low, make sure that your dial is at the proper temperature. If it's too low, then you can always just turn it up. And as you could hear, the burner just kicked on. So you can turn the dial up, and after about, I'd say maybe 20 minutes to half an hour, check to see if the water temperature is more to your liking. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.